Eric with the Kleen-rite sales team coming at you today with Justin Bond from Solve Industrial Motion Group. He is the representative for the QCW series bearings from IPTCI. Tell me a little bit more about these bearings that you introduced and talked to our team about here, and what makes these a little different than some of the ones in the marketplace.
Sure, Eric, appreciate it. So yeah, we tried to combat against a couple things in your industry that we saw that were challenges that were degrading the life of your bearings. So first and foremost, we may see in your industry either over lubrication or under lubrication of the bearing. So what we tried to do, or what we did do actually, is we made these a greased for life bearing. So we plugged the Zerks on here. So once you install this bearing, you're not going to have to worry about greasing it. So you can then dedicate a lot more time to something else in your car wash than greasing bearings. The second thing was the corrosion resistance. So we made a special plating in both the insert and the housing, so that can combat against some of the caustic washdown that a car wash sees.
So without that Zerk fitting, the maintenance guys aren't going to be climbing up on ladders or anything and having to shimmy over and try to get things taken care of. This kind of solves two problems at one, correct?
Correct. I mean, at the end of the day, time is money. So if you don't have to dedicate time to greasing bearings, that allows you to do something else. So,
awesome.
yeah.
Awesome. And then like another thing about these, you got to make tons of these different bearings. So you have pretty much bearings for any application, not just necessarily the ones at the car wash and the automatics. You probably have for other options too. So if there's other bearings they're looking for, you'd be a great source to go to, correct?
That's correct. Yeah. So when we developed this QCW series, we have 5 or 6 different really typical housing styles, and we have bore sizes from 1 inch to 2 inch, and that we feel that covers probably 95% of what you guys see in the car wash industry.
Yeah, the guys that I talk to, that's the size range most people ask about bearings. This is a fantastic product, heavy duty. I'll tell you what, these things look nice. They look slick. I know they have, one of the questions I asked during the meeting was the inventory, because a lot of times you want to make sure you get your hands on them. Listen, if you guys are looking to make purchases, let's swip 5, 6, 7, 8 washes over. Listen, they have thousands of them on stock, ready to rock and roll. We can get them to you right away. I'll tell you what, it was great for you to come in today. I appreciate it. Thank you for your time. Listen, you guys have any questions here on these bearings, call in here to Kleen-rite. We'll help you out. If not, we'll get in contact with Justin. If there's something custom you need done or something, we can always find a way to help you.
Kleen-rite.